What a gorgeous day, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm in Columbia, Illinois today. We're doing a wax removal for a client in Columbia that's a repeat client. We're gonna remove her wax off her tile. And we got Bridget with us today. And we're gonna make it happen, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Remember, before you floor it, let us restore it. And beautiful day, hear the birds chirping. We're gonna move this acrylic wax off this tile and get it back to original state, and then we're gonna put an impregnated sealer down to kind of make it protected again. And that's gonna do it, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. If you need this service, reach out to us. We got you covered. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐛𝐬𝐜.com, and you can also find us on YouTube, Instagram, of course, Facebook. Give us a like, a share, and a follow. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna move all this acrylic wax from this Tile and Grout. You can see we got some down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is how much wax we're getting off the tile. All that white milky stuff, that's wax, guys. That's why you don't put this stuff on your floors. No mop and blow, no rejuvenate, quick shine, things like that. Because it never cures, it attracts dirt, and it looks horrible. So if you have this situation, give us a call. We can remove it and save your floors. All right, guys, we'll finish up. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we did a finish and neutralization. Now we're gonna let it dry, and all is well. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We just got done. It's back to the original state. Another happy client. Thanks for watching.